Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Thank you for being here with me today. And by the way, I'm Julian Gabuya, a BEd student, and I want to share something that is very close to my heart or very close to me. And this is my reflection on what it means to be a Filipino and how this identity will shape me as a future educator. So, being Filipino is not just about the place where I was born or the language I speak. It is about the values that I carry, the traditions I honor, and the stories that continues to guide me. So, my Filipino identity is my compass. It directs how I live, how I serve, and how I teach. So, as Filipinos, we grow up surrounded by values that shape us, that shape our character, and that shape our identity. So, one of these is pakikipagkapwa. So, pakikipagkapwa means that it is the idea of seeing others not as strangers, but as a fellow human beings. So deserving of dignity and respect. So these values reminds me that every student or every people that I will met has a story, has a struggle, and has a dream. So another one is the bayanihan. So bayanihan is the spirit of helping one another. So we get this when neighbors carry each other or carry each other's burden or carry each other's back. So when communities rebel after disasters like this year, like the typhoons or the calamities happening here in the Philippines, like typhoons and earthquakes. So this is one of the example of bayanihan. And when families support each other in times of needs. So as a teacher or as a Filipino, bayanihan will remind me that education is not just a solo journey. It is about a shared effort between students, teachers, families, friends, and communities. And lastly, paggalang. So what's paggalang? So paggalang is respect. So as a Filipino, we show respect through words like po, opo, or through gestures like Mano pa. So, and through listening to elders. So, respect is not just about politeness. It is the recognition of the wisdom and worth of others. So, in my future classroom, respect will be the foundation of how we treat one another. So, being Filipino means carrying resilience in our heart. So, we smile even in hardships. We celebrate even in simplicity. And we find strength in family and community. So, to reflect this, I want to share a salawikain. So, this is my salawikain. Ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggagalingan ay hindi nakakarating sa panaroonan. So this proverb means he who does not look back to where he came from will never reach his destination. So for me, this salawikain is a reminder that my future as a teacher is rooted in my past as a Filipino. I cannot move forward even without remembering the sacrifices of my family, friends, and the lessons of my culture and the wisdom of those who came before me. So, my identity is not a burden. It is the source of my strength. It tells me that I belong to a people who are resilient, compassionate, and proud. So, as a future educator, my Filipino identity will guide me in many ways. One, it teaches me how to show compassion because every child deserves kindness and understanding. Number two, it will encourage me to build collaboration because learning is stronger when done together. And lastly, the number three, it will inspire me to instill pride in culture so students see themselves not just as individuals, but as part of a bigger story. So I want my classroom to be more than a piece of lessons. It will be a community where values are lived, not just taught. So where students learn not only math, science, English, but also values like kindness, respect, and responsibility. So my Filipino identity will remind me that teaching is not just about knowledge. It is about forming a character. So here is my challenge to my future educators, future students, and to everyone listening. So carry our Filipino identity with pride. Let your values guide your choices. Remember your roots, but don't be afraid to dream beyond them. So, because being Filipino is not just about who we are today, it is about who we choose to become tomorrow. And together, we can build a future that is full of compassion, resilient, and proud of its heritage. And thank you. Maraming salamat and mabuhay!